guys, TJ Outdoors back with another video. On this video, we're going to be showing you guys our favorite way to make deer heart.
Alright, so basically you take your deer heart and you'll split it down, cut it open. There's a bunch of like holes and slots. Just keep slicing on it until you can open it up real nice. And then clean it out. And there's some little stuff you got to cut off. But basically we try to bring our heart down into something like this. This is what it looks like before it goes in the pan. And then we just got some good amount of butter in here. And what we like to do is get your heart in the pan. And you can put it about medium temperature or whatever it needs to do to get hot. And you get your butter good and melted and hot. And you'll put kind of a little bit of a sear on this. And after you have that in there, I like to put a little bit of salt and pepper on. You can kind of use whatever seasonings you want. We do a little bit of salt and pepper, a little bit of garlic salt, and we have some smoker seasoning that we use on smoked meats from the Bearded Butchers here. This is the bold blend. We like the black. That's good on here. But we'll throw a little bit of that on too, just to give it some good flavor and makes it awesome. See garlic salt here. If you have fresh garlic, that's good in the pan too. It just adds a little bit more to it. And then what we like to do is have some onions and mushrooms and stuff like that. If you got peppers, you can throw that in there too. We decided not to put peppers in this time. Well, that got a little bit of chard. Looks like I should have paid a little more attention to this, but I guess we're going more for caramelized rather than sauteed here apparently. So we'll check the temp on this, see what these end up being at. Okay, that's done. So we're going to go ahead and pull this off. And yeah, we like this over rice or however you like to eat it. Eat it with your mashed potatoes. Probably good with eggs, I would assume. So obviously we got this a little bit done. Wasn't minding my business here, but that's typically how we do it, and we'll let the boys jump in here and take a taste and see what they think. So we got the deer heart. It's a close-up of it. Get you some of that. All right, the boys are going to test this out, see what they think. It's been about a year since we've had deer heart. This was out of Troy's doe that he shot the other Saturday night. A little hot, but otherwise good.
That's awesome.
A little bit of oven heat with it.
Here, give me some onions and mushrooms. Oh yeah.
Maybe we can split this.
Okay guys, yeah. Deer heart's really good. If you get a chance, still some of it in my mouth. If you get a chance, you gotta try this. Yeah. Signing it off. Hashtag TJ Gang.
Hashtag Jesus.
Keep it in the outdoors.
Bye.